Hi guys, back here to the vlog here in Da Nang. Now we're actually walking at the Da Nang Dragon Bridge. Now while we're here, it is actually 6:20 in the evening. And as you can see, very cool breeze, no rain and everything. So the weather for tonight is extremely good. There'll be traffic beside me, so I think that's the reason why we wanted to walk, because of course it's faster, plus the cool night breeze is really good as well. And then we really want to have a feel of this Dragon Bridge. Now in a bit I'll flip the camera over perhaps once we're a bit halfway, so I'll be able to see the view, because the lights of the dragon do change. As much as I want to see the dragon, you know, have that I do know they do have fire breathing, right?
Yeah.
It breathes fire, but I don't know if it's just...
It starts around 9.
Yeah, it starts around 9, I think. I don't know if we'll be able to wait for that. But if we are, then perhaps I'll take a video. But if not, at least we'll be able to see what it looks like during this time of night. Now, we're actually walking towards Sontra Night Market. That's where we're going to have a dinner. And then perhaps I'll have a separate video for that, for you to see what kind of food is available, or if there's a bit of shopping as well. I'll let you guys know, but as of the moment, I'll flip the camera over. It is a bit of a walk, but I'll flip the camera over once we're a bit halfway or nearly towards the end of the bridge, so you'll be able to see. So back now again, we are nearly towards the end of the bridge. That's actually the head of the dragon. I do really hope that we'll be able to see the fire breathing scene for this dragon, but we'll see, because we'll have dinner here at Sontra Night Market. Again, it would be on a separate video, and then there's the Love Bridge and the marina. So once we're down, I'll flip the camera over so you'll be able to see the dragon head. Okay guys, so I think that's the end of this video. We're now here at the end of the bridge. That's the dragon head, and then we'll have our dinner first, and then perhaps hopefully be able to wait for the fire breathing events for this one for tonight. I'll see you guys in the next video. Everyone, so as promised, I am now here at the Sontra Night Market. So we're going to go pass through here and then perhaps have a bit of a walk around on the section where there's food. But let's go to the shopping first and see what they have. Okay guys, so as promised, we're going to do a quick walk around. There is another section for this one which would have more food. We've already scanned it a bit, but perhaps we'll go back and try to buy something that we can take home. Now here in Sontra Night Market, it is a mix of food and as well as novelty items. There are also a couple of giveaways like bags, knicks and knacks, toys, and other souvenirs that you can find. Now, to be honest with you, we don't have anything in mind that we're really willing to buy, but at least for you to guys see as to what is available here if you're planning to go here at Sontra Night Market. So there's stuffed toys. Those capybaras are actually quite really cute. And there's also, if you've noticed, there's also a massage available on here. I think there's a foot massage and spa over here, specifically like that. So I don't know how much they are, but perhaps later on we'll try to ask and see how much the prices are if ever you want to have a very short massage here after you do your shopping. So as I mentioned, novelty items, earrings, souvenirs as well. So how to say this, native items as well. Just to let you guys know though, they open at 6 o'clock in the evening. So the first time that we went here, we didn't know that it was really that late a day. Well, for me, that seems to be late because I really want to start my shopping quite early, like about 4 or 5 in the afternoon. So I was going to have a snack. But when we went here, there was actually no shops that were open. All of them are still closed, nothing prepared. So I didn't realize it goes to different streets. I initially thought it was just one area, so that's quite amazing. I didn't realize how big it was, but as far as you can see, it's almost as the same as everything. There's toys, a bit of food, novelty items, souvenirs, and a bit of street food. This is quite unique though, because there's a lady that's, you know, drawing a photo. Then there's man over there as well. So quite amazing. And it says here for 10 minutes it's 180k. That's how I understand. So I think this part is more of street food. Perhaps we'll check this one instead of the other side, because we're trying to look for something that we can bring at home. So there's ice cream as well. So we're trying to get some food that would have rice. Rice in Vietnamese is called com. So every time we see food, barbecue or anything that we like, we always ask if there's rice. So to make, you know, our meals quite heavy, and then we can just go about for the rest of our days. So I have not tried ice cream tea just as yet. So as you can see, 300k for the combo. The barbecue is very tempting. So there's also fresh seafood.
500 for 3 lobsters.
Oh, okay. 500k for 3 lobsters.
Yes, we cooking free. I can give you and give.
So as you can see,
And
there's a big
1,
lobsters.
2, 3 free for you. Only 500.
Okay, 500. Okay.
You. I can discount.
We'll do the video
You for
first
400.
before we go. Thank you. Okay, so bit of a tip when you're here. Vietnamese are really quite eager for them to get a sale, regardless of what it is. Maybe food, may also be items or whatnot. So if ever, I would want to suggest that you really stay firm if you really want to say no. So just a tip for you. Some people may grab you as well and would not let you go. But look at that. Look at that. Lobsters are really, really tempting. So I don't know if that's something that we'll do. Sorry guys for panning around. There's really a lot of people. So it's quite hard to maneuver with a camera in front of me. But anyways, so we'll perhaps just try to walk around and go on the other side. Pretty much the same as that. There's really a lot of food. And all you just have to do is sit on those chairs on the side. So there's a rotisserie. So I think we really would be going back at this part of the night market. And we'll definitely have our belly full as we go here. So again, just do make sure that you're quite firm if you're not yet decided to what to get, because they're really going to be eager for you to buy.
You want my me and rice paper?
Hello, you serve it with one.
Oh, you want barbecue? So pretty much we are going back to where we came from. We'll try to look for what perhaps we can buy as a souvenir on this part of the night market. So perhaps that's it for me for the Central Night Market. I would want to enjoy walking around. It's quite hard to do it with the camera in front of me. Of course, to maneuver this gimbal as well. So perhaps we'll try to shop something that we can find as a souvenir and then have a bit of a dinner over there and then do a bit of a takeout. So we can have a very scrumptious late night dinner later on. So perhaps I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.